You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. I'll be your best friend. I'll be your guide whenever you need me. I'll be by your side. I love you more and more and more each day. I love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being you. Been waiting for you all my life. You are my dream come true.
Tash, you are the most amazing, beautiful, kind, loving and thoughtful individual I've ever met. Woman I've ever met. You've been through so much the last year and you've come out better, more capable, more resilient and more beautiful than ever. I couldn't imagine spending my life with another woman but you. You're perfect for me. I know I haven't given you the fairy tale start that you might have wanted, but if you'll let me, I'll give us a fairy tale ending we deserve.
Yes.
Tash Nicola Welsh, will you marry me?
Yes, I will. Yes, I will.
Alright, ready? Is it this one?
Yeah. Is that the right finger?
Come true.
Oh, it's loose, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a bit. Wow.
You're the light in the dark and sad world of mine. I'd be lost if not for you. And I love you more and more and more each day.
Bit warm
I
there.
love you more and more and more than I can say. You're my sweetest addiction. You're my strongest inspiration. And I love you. It's true. There's no mountain I could not climb as long as you are mine. And I thank you for being.
Well, she said yes, which that's good. And we're just gonna have a little picnic where the seaplane dropped us off because we didn't get time to eat our food with little Louie. So you like it?
I think I did well.
With me or the ring?
Both. But I really like this, like the cathedral set.
Yeah, it's stunning. Better way to celebrate an engagement than on the Gold Coast? Yes! On a kids' playground. We'll be out there.
No other adults around here.
No other fun people. So we went on the water park. We got about 5 minutes down the footpath and Tash turned to me and said, "Do you have my ring?" And I said, "No." And she looked at the shirt she tied it on and it was gone.
It was not there.
That ensued a frantic search up and down the footpath and back at the water park here. And I'll show you the footage now of a family who found it. So we're gonna just sneakily film this and see what she says. Hey, just pretend that you don't have it, alright? Yeah. I left my number with them. Nothing. Did you find it? I'm guessing it would have been. I think it's gone, sweetie.
I hope a bird's not picked it up.
Oh, you're right.
There you go.
They found it.
Oh, sweetheart. Oh. I had it for less than a week.
Couple days.
It's just sitting there in the sun. Oh, thank you.
Oh, thank you so much, guys. Absolutely appreciate it. You okay? It's on video. Oh, I actually thought you'd lost it as well.
I thought a bird might have picked it up.
So lucky that family found it on the footpath. And no one took it. I can't believe that.
I thought a bird took it. Well, thank God the birds didn't take it because I love it. And then you'll be you.
Well, I'm glad she said yes. And yeah, can't wait to move into the next chapter of our lives. So hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye.
Bye.